Hey lovelies, this is a highly requested step-by-step how to make press-on nails for beginners in less than 5 minutes. These are the basic materials you're going to need to start making press-on nails, and you're going to need a UV LED lamp. I love this one. This is my favorite lamp, by far, super inexpensive. And if you're using regular polish, you're going to need a gel top coat to make sure that your polish stays. A lot of people ask me, how do I get my nails to stay on my nail stands? I use wall mount putty. It's $1 at Walmart or the dollar store, or you can use clear nail adhesive tabs, either one. Now, if you're comfortable, you can definitely get fancy. You can get rhinestones, you can get glitter, you can get nail charms, kawaii charms, whatever you want to do, honey. I would like to thank Born Pretty for sending over the polishes and the top coat that we're using today. I absolutely love Born Pretty products, you guys. These will be in the description box below if you guys want to purchase them. They're on Amazon. Absolutely love Born Pretty products. So as you can see, I already swatched the colors and the top coats to them. My favorite one is the shimmer top coat. That's the one all the way on to the right. And I absolutely love these. Like, they're super pretty. Jumping right into our press-on nails, I'm using these stiletto full cover tips that I got off Amazon. They come in half sizes. These are my favorite tips. I can cut them, make them short. Absolutely love these. The first step you're going to do when making your press-on nails is you're going to buff the entire nail. You're going to buff all your nails. You're going to make sure every part of that nail is buffed, because that is what's going to help your gel polish or your nail polish in general adhere to the nail. So you want to make sure you buff it real good, get it all nice and knock all that shine off of it. So the next step is optional, but you can take your nail file and file the shape more crisp if you would like, or sometimes the manufacturers will leave the free edge with a little bit of acrylic. All you got to do is just file that off. It's real simple. Next, you're going to take some alcohol or some young nail swipe. I swear by the swipe. And you're going to clean the entire nail. You're going to use a lint-free wipe. You don't want to have anything that's going to leave residue on those nails. And you can use gloves if you are making, I highly suggest you use gloves if you are making press-on nails for clients, because your fingerprints and the oils can get onto the nail. Next, you want to take a base coat and apply it to the nails. I'm using 𝐒𝐬 by Camille, which is my brand. And you're going to use a thin layer of base coat, and then you're going to cure it for 60 to 90 seconds. I do an extra 30 seconds after, just to make sure that it really cures well, because base coat is sticky if you do not know. And I personally hate base coat, but I know it's needed, so I just got to thug it out. So I'm using BP05 from the collection that I just showed you guys, and I'm doing one thin coat. It may look a little thick when I slap it on, but I'm doing one thin coat, and I'm making sure that I hit the free edge and I'm getting the top where the cuticle area is. If you do not hit that cuticle area, the color will not go there and you will see it. It's just a whole mess. So just make sure you cover the entire nail with gel polish or regular polish, however you're going to do it, and then pop it in the UV lamp for 30 seconds. I try not to make the set too basic, so I'm using BP02 on one of the nails. I'm going to try to do like a French design with that nail, but we're going to see. Now I'm going in with my second coat of gel nail polish, and I love Born Pretty's polishes because they are really opaque, and I just love the colors. So I realized I was saying the numbers wrong. It's actually PB04, but it's okay because y'all know who it is. So I'm using this color for the French. I absolutely love this color, and I'm not really a fan of pink, but this made me want to use pink more. I couldn't find my regular Born Pretty top coat, so I had to use my brands, but I'm also using the shimmer, and I did not cure that shimmer, so what you see is that uncured, and that is beautiful, honey. Like, I absolutely love the shimmer. Now I'm going to show you guys how I apply the rhinestones. I'm using my 𝐒𝐻𝐷 rhinestone glue, and these are just rhinestones I got off Amazon, and I just like to take a little bit and put it on there. What I'm using to put the rhinestones on there is just a wax pen that is not sharpened, and I put some wall mount putty on the tip, so it's easier to grab the nails. It's super easy instead of going to buy one of the rhinestone tools that eventually breaks anyway. So I'm just placing the rhinestones anywhere. I didn't really have a design. I just wanted to give you guys this updated video because it was super highly requested. So, you know, I had to hook y'all up. I highly recommend that you guys check out my Born Pretty solid nail glue tutorial. I will link it up above. It is perfect for beginners using rhinestones. Like, the rhinestones stay in place. The gel is solid. It's easy to use. Make sure that you cure it for 60 to 90 seconds. And this is the final look. I added rhinestones to the pinky and the thumb because I feel like they just don't get a lot of love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to make it super simple, super easy, because the last video I made was like 26 minutes. I will also link that so you guys can check it out. Send me video suggestions, and thank y'all so much for watching.